What if we told you that the best part of a mango cake is actually at the bottom? Well, not anymore. This upside down mango cake flips the script quite literally. To make this, start by layering juicy mango slices at the bottom of your cake mold. Make this pretty as you're setting the stage for the big reveal. Now in a bowl, mix curd, sugar and baking soda. Let this froth and bubble, it's where the magic begins. In a jug, stir together melted butter, milk and oil. It's rich, it's creamy and it's going to make your cake so soft. Time to bring it all in together. In another bowl, combine flour and baking powder. Pour in that buttery milk mix and stir gently. Add in your mango pulp and curd mixture and whisk till it's all smooth, golden and mangoey. Now pour this luscious batter over the mango slices in your mold. Tap it to get rid of any air pockets. No one wants a lumpy surprise. Bake this till it's golden and your kitchen smells like sunshine and a toothpick comes out clean. Once it's cool, slice the top to even it out. Flip this over. A glossy golden upside down mango cake that's soft, fruity and the ultimate summer dessert flex. Serve this chilled or warm and trust us, this one's going to turn a few heads.